Hello traders, in this video I'm going to talk about our new artificial intelligence based indicator that we have launched in the previous week, and trust me, it has done wonders because most of the traders who have used our indicator, they have made the profits. I have shared each and everything of their success story into the telegram group, so please find the telegram group in the description of this video below. And also, if you are willing to book our coaching and you want to get the lifetime copy of our this indicator, then please contact on telegram. Now let's show you that how it has performed during the day and on Friday as well, because today the market is closed, so I thought to make a video and let's review that how the signals have performed. So right now I will be reviewing on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, we have 3 buy signals on the USD CHF and they went successful, and previously whole time it has provided us with the sell trend. And what the gray color means into the moving average, gray means not to trade, and you can see here it has plotted a gray signal. So from the gray area we will not take any kind of a sell entry, and you can see later on the bands turn into red. Now when the market is again going to retest that level, it will give you a buy signal and it will automatically capture each and everything. Okay, let's have a look on gold. Okay, so this was previously that gold was under pressure, and you can see how our indicator has beautifully given you sell signal. Okay, we cannot consider that sell because it is far from the moving averages. I have already mentioned that we are only supposed to trade the signals from the moving averages. Sell, 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 and you can see this indicator has done wonders. And buy signal, it's still far, so better you will need to retest. But when the market comes to retest that level, it break that level, and then here the buy signal was very good, so you can trade that one. Okay, so right now the sell trend, but you know the market is closed. But overall I want to show you that how this indicator has performed on the various pairs. So this is a AUD CAD 5-minute. You can see sell, drop, sell, 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 and from the retesting level we have done everything in the coding that will help you to gain such good trades. Okay, previously you can see sell, 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 but here you can see a very bad consolidation. So we are not going to trade that consolidation because still we have 2 winning signals from the sell, but we will not trade that signal. So whenever you will get this indicator, you will also be given a proper video that how to avoid consolidation. Look, this is the consolidation, we cannot trade that one. Let's have a look on Bitcoin. It should be in consolidation. Okay, right now you can see throughout the day it is into the consolidation, but you can see it still has taken you towards the buy side and it has now break the consolidation. But overall we are not going to trade the consolidation patterns. Okay, look at CAD JPY, somehow good. So buying signals, mostly the market has went up, but overall the momentum was not too good here. Okay, so CHF JPY, if you look at the previous pattern, buy, and then trend get changed, sell, selling opportunity, buying, come for the retest, somehow it went up. Okay, Euro AUD. Okay, so Euro AUD was trending into the upward side. You can see we will not consider that buy. Comes for the retest, you can take that buy position. Come for the retest, buy, and then come for the retest, you can take that buy position. So retesting is very much important near to that indicator, but because I have considered this thing very much while development of this indicator. Okay, we cannot take that sell because it is far from the moving average. Let it come for the retest. We have received a sell signal, so valid opportunity, come down. Okay, so this is consolidation, we will not trade. Okay, so you will get the video that how to handle the consolidation. Look at this, this is consolidation, we cannot trade that one. Let's go to Euro USD. Guys, these are the patterns that we actually need to trade. Now look at here, Euro USD sell signal far from the moving average, not to trade, retested down, again retested, and again retested. So this is how we are going to do wonders with this indicator. We need to find out the chart like pound USD. Look, this is very good. This indicator will do your rest job. Just you need to avoid this type of slow pairs that if any other pair is slow, avoid that one. Like Great Britain pound CAD, this is slow at the moment, consolidation. Okay, so you will get a video that how to deal with the consolidation. So overall mostly you can see a consolidation on the rest of the charts while closing. Okay, now NZD USD, not any consolidation, you can see sell, and right now this sell is from the moving average, which is into the gray color. We will not take that one. This is sell, this is good. Okay, so we can take that one. USD CAD, very well, a buy signal, you can see buy, and very good buy right from the moving average, you can trade that one. And right now it's somehow gray and green, so we will definitely wait here. Okay, What else? US 30. Let's have a look. Okay, Dow Jones. You can see sell and then sell here. Sell, it becomes sell, and here it becomes sell. So perfectly fine. This indicator has performed extremely well, and even on Bank Nifty, if you are an Indian trader, you can see that Bank Nifty buy later on, not to trade into the gray zone, and then you can see buy, and Bank Nifty moved up. So performance is extremely well. You can buy the lifetime version of this no repaint indicator, and you can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.